the other day. I ran out and put my hand up and stopped. He let me on and said, I won't do it again. I said, I'm very grateful. I just wasn't expecting it to be, so I've learned from that. I did say to the age,
I'm still warming up a little bit.
So what's your favourite bit of Sherborne ceilings, mate?
Cathedral.
What?
Cathedral.
The Abbey?
Yeah, the Abbey.
Oh. I knew what by George mean.
Did you really not watch it? Go early. I can't believe it.
Just a minute.
There you go, mate. Send someone what's up here. What?
So was there anything that got you the same way the whole trip? That woman probably a private hole. Done young people should have got stayed
John Cruz.
Off we go. Goodbye, Sherborne. Well, off we go home again. So many people on level crossings. Oh, I need to wear my hat again. Well, that was a good shot coming to the station, wasn't it? We'll be back at Stone Street, we'll be the Queen Street from there. Yeah, where put your bag there, mate?
Right.
Oh, your bag, you put it there, mate.
That's right.
You sure? No, thank you, Ben.
Yeah.
Anybody here this morning?
Yeah, there were, yes. Manchester United scarf.
Where they gone?
Well, she into working about 1946, and you should get one on 1955, Ben. What?
Yeah.
Well, no, you'll get a 2025. Just go from there, okay? Yeah, so that's what I did. A few of them. So the Children at Downs, John Pass Salute, End of Sun Steam, and Yeovil as well. So.
It was fortunately
You can still hear the engine, man.
Well, I heard you singing all the bands
Also, Ben, this would be good, right? You know why? You can see the engine setting off, even working on its return trip, and then when we film it goes away. That's easy. We can just go our own separate ways back at working station. You go back to Redfield, by Guildford. I'll go back to Woking. I'll go back to my home, my flat.
Joe had to go into the office to try
That's cheap.
She was there for 2 hours while we were there. She was still
Did it change much that year? Was it very much like what she said? But the main bit that kind of changed it less.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on board. Hope you had an enjoyable break in Sherborne. We now proceed back to Saul Street. The walk stop.
Following my guidebook, and now
Is it possible to align at Saul Street? Steam engine. But please bear in mind that if it's the dining section of the train, dinner service will have to continue. So stand as the first class passengers if they wish. Can the light at Salisbury have a look at the engine? As soon as the engine whistles out or the stewards ask you to join the train, please do so.
I have to say, Ben, this was definitely a great day to make up for this trip. What?
Yeah.
I have to say, Ben, this was the best one.
Yeah.